Okay, so after we're done with the drawing, we can just save it and then go back to our assembly. Now before doing the exploded view, I would like to add another bolt and a nut and a bolt, because they look nice when you do the exploded view, and because usually you would have them. And the main use of the exploded view is to see how to install the parts and the nuts and the bolts. So we did this one. Now for this one, we're gonna mate it surface with surface, and then we can't actually choose this helix, so we're just gonna choose a concentric, then go to nut, and then find this axis. Okay, and then just select this one, and this is gonna make this axis concentric with the axis of the bolt, which is what we want. Now if we finish the mate and we try to move these, they are fixed, and you see here that it fits nicely, they're not interfering. If you want to check for interference, as we said, you go to evaluate, interference detection, and you do calculate. It says there's interference and just here, and that's normal because the nut has to touch the bolt in case to like mate together. Actually, if you turn it, it wouldn't interfere, but it doesn't matter if this is the only interference we get. So okay, so now I need to copy this. Okay, the view of the bolt is kind of hidden now, but it's fine. It's gonna reset. So now we need to copy this bolt here, here, and here. So I can go and copy them and then go do the mates individually. But there's an easier way to do it, which is copy with mates. So I'll click on it, and I'll choose the components. This, add my nut, and then I'll press on this one, next. Now it's asking me, you remember that the mates that we used were coincident, concentric, and coincident. So let's put, so the first coincident was this one, and then the concentric was this one, and then the last one for the nut was this one. And now it's done. You see, it's much faster. So now it's done. It's saying if you need to place another component, press OK. So we're gonna press this one, OK. And now it's asking me for the next one. So again, I'll choose this one. Then I'll choose this one. And the next thing is this face. Again, it's good, looks good. Finish. And same thing, coincident. This one. If you clicked on the wrong surface, just come back here, delete, and do it again. So surface, and then this one, and the last one. And this is done. We're gonna finish, and X. And now we see that here we have the nuts and everything. And now if you go back to our drawing, we see that the nuts and bolts are here. And we see that we have extra parts now in our bill of material. So let's add balloons for them. And the nut would be here. Okay. Everything's good, the bill of material size is good. Okay, let's go back to our